Okay, so we just started on the end wall here. We're putting a sliding door across the top. We've got boards running horizontally. And then we filled everything in. And this is what we're going to brace up or build up for each one of the ends where the curtain doesn't fully extend. And then we'll put metal on this. So we got one side done. And then we're putting cannonball rollers on for the doors. Those are the best ones. And they last really well and they roll really smooth. So we got one track there, and then the other one will go over there. So it'll stick out just a little bit beyond the side of the building. And we'll work on this side. And then we'll build out each one of the ends of the curtains. Where we're at right here. We made a little pocket so the curtain's not beating around so bad. Otherwise it was swinging out and I was afraid it was going to tear on the top. So you can still open and close it with a crank, but it's not going to beat around so bad. So we got some red metal over here. My neighbor who does construction work had some. It didn't match perfectly their other red metal, so they rejected it. So we get the rejects, but obviously I could care less if the red's not barn red versus autumn red versus whatever other red you can think of. So it'll work just fine for us. So this is what it looks like from the inside of the barn. And then we'll start getting, this side over here is just about ready for metal. So we just got the J channel on, it goes around the top, and then the metal will go right up against it. Okay, we got the end wall done. In fact, you can't see them, but the side walls are done too. We're going to leave the south side wide open here. So the building itself is done. We got it right here. Just made little pockets for the ends to go in of the curtains. And then here's the door. And so it's a nice red color. The track covered. There's the barn itself now. I think it looks nice with the red on there. So next step is to put freestalls in it and get some lighting in it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below. And that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.